Hey, excuse me, you look familiar.
Oh, yes, I remember you. We've met before, right?
Yeah, we met at the bus stop last week. That's right. How have you been?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm fine. Smiles. It's nice to see you again.
Same here. I didn't expect to meet you today.
Me neither. Sometimes this city feels so small.
True. Are you living here now?
Yeah, I moved here 2 months ago.
Oh, that's new. I came here 3 months ago, so we're both new here.
Yeah, still figuring everything out.
Me too. The language isn't easy.
I agree. I make a lot of mistakes.
Same here, but people are kind.
Yeah, they're really helpful. Are you working or studying here?
I'm working in an IT company.
That's great. I'm studying design.
Nice. Do you like your course?
Yeah, but it's challenging.
Challenges help us grow.
That's true.
Do you come to this cafe often?
Sometimes. I like the coffee here.
Me too. It reminds me of home.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from Ireland.
That's interesting. I'm from Spain.
Wow, that's far. Do you miss home?
Yes, especially my family.
I understand. I miss mine too. But living abroad is exciting.
Yes, every day's a new experience.
Exactly.
How do you travel around the city?
Mostly by bus and metro.
Same here. I'm still learning the routes. I get lost sometimes.
Me too. At least we are learning. That's the important part.
Do you have many friends here?
Not many yet. Just a few coworkers.
Same for me. Making friends takes time.
Yes, but meetings like this help.
I agree. Are you free today?
Yes, I am. Why?
Would you like to sit and talk for a while?
Sure, that sounds nice.
Great. Can I get you a coffee?
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
You're welcome. So, how is your job going?
It's good, but sometimes stressful.
I understand. Studying can be stressful too. Do you practice the local language?
Yes, every day. I try to speak more.
That's good. Practice is important.
Yes, even small talks help, like this conversation.
Exactly. Do you like the food here?
Some dishes, yes. Some are strange.
I feel the same. Have you tried local street food?
Yes, once. It was spicy.
Very spicy, but tasty.
True. Do you plan to stay here long?
Maybe 2 more years.
That's a good time to learn a lot.
Yes, about life and culture. I'm glad we met again.
Me too. It feels friendly. Maybe we can meet again sometime.
I'd like that. We can explore the city together.
That sounds fun. Here's your coffee.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. This place feels warmer now.
Yes, good company helps. Living in a new country is easier with friends.
I agree completely. Shall we exchange numbers?
Yes, that's a good idea. Here you go.
Got it. I'll text you.
Perfect. Let's meet again this weekend.
Sure, I'm free.
Great, I'll message you.
I'm looking forward to it.
Me too. Nice meeting you again, Liam.
Jake, is that really you?
Oh my God, what are you doing here?
I can't believe this.
I was about to ask you the same thing. This is such a surprise.
Yes, we are neighbors back home and now we meet in another country.
I'm really shocked.
Me too. I never expected this. When did you arrive here?
I came 3 days ago.
Oh, I came yesterday.
Why did you come here?
I'm here for work.
Oh, really? What kind of work?
I'm attending a short training program.
That sounds interesting. What about you? Why are you here?
I'm here for a business meeting, so we both came for different reasons.
Yes, but we met by chance. Where are you staying?
I'm at a hotel near the city center.
Oh, I'm staying in a small hotel nearby too. Which hotel?
Green Park Hotel.
Oh, I'm at City View Hotel. That's not far.
Yes, just a 10-minute walk.
How long will you stay?
I'll stay 5 days.
I'll be here for 1 week. Our stay times are almost the same.
That's nice. How's your work schedule?
I work during the day, evenings free.
Same here. My meetings end by evening.
That's perfect. Maybe we can explore the city together.
I was thinking the same. Have you visited any places yet?
Not yet. I was very tired yesterday.
I understand. Traveling is tiring.
Did you visit anywhere?
I only walked near my hotel.
How do you like the city so far?
It's beautiful and clean.
Yes, and people are friendly. The food is also good.
I tried some local food last night. Was it spicy?
A little, but tasty.
I want to try it too.
We can go together after work.
That sounds good. Do you finish work early tomorrow?
Yes, I finish at 5 p.m.
Same here. Let's meet at 6 p.m.
Sure. Where?
Near the central square. It's easy to find.
Great. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I came alone.
Same here. It's nice to have a familiar face.
Yes, I feel more comfortable now. Do you miss home?
A little, especially family. I miss home food a lot.
Me too. When will you go back?
Sunday.
I'll also return Sunday night.
Really? Same time. Maybe same flight.
That would be nice. We can check flight details later.
Sure. I'm still surprised to see you here.
Me too. This feels unreal. Life is full of surprises.
Yes, especially in a new country. I'm glad we met.
Same here. Okay, I should go now.
Yes, I also need to leave. See you tomorrow evening.
Yes, don't forget.
I won't. I'll message details.
Perfect. Take care, Jake.
You too, Anna. Enjoy your stay. I feel very upset today.
Why, Mike? What happened?
My English grammar is very weak.
Don't worry, we can learn together.
I get confused with tenses.
Let's start with present simple tense.
Okay, but please explain slowly.
Sure, present simple is used for daily habits.
Daily habits?
Yes, things we do every day.
Can you give an example?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Oh, that sounds easy. Another one?
I go to school.
So we use the base form of the verb.
Yes, with I, you, we, they.
What about he and she?
Good question. We add S or ES.
Can you show me?
He plays football.
She plays football too?
Yes, exactly.
What about eat?
I eat breakfast at home.
And for she?
She eats breakfast at home.
Why do we add S?
It's a rule for he, she, it.
Okay, I understand a little. Let's practice.
Say, I work in an office.
I work in an office.
Good. Now change it to he.
He works in an office.
Perfect. One more example.
They live in this city.
Now with she.
She lives in this city.
Excellent. I feel more confident now.
Great. Practice makes you better.
Can we learn negative sentences next?
Of course. I still have many doubts.
Don't worry, I'm here to help. Let's start negatives.
I always make mistakes here.
That's okay. We use do not or does not.
Do not? Does not?
Yes, for I, you, we, they, do not.
Can you give an example?
I do not like coffee. Yes, that's correct.
What about he?
For he, she, it, does not. Example, he does not like coffee.
Not likes?
After does not, always use base verb.
Oh, no S?
Yes, no S. Many students get confused here.
Let me try. She does not work on Sunday.
Excellent. What about they?
They do not work on Sunday.
Perfect. Clear rule now? Let's practice more.
I play football. Make it negative. I do not play football.
Now with he.
He does not play football.
Can I use short forms?
Yes, don't and doesn't.
I didn't understand grammar before.
Now you're doing great. Thank you for patience.
You're welcome. One more doubt.
Can we use do not in speaking?
Yes, but short forms are more common.
Got it. Ready for questions?
Yes, let's do it.
You are improving fast. I feel happy now.
Grammar is easy with practice.
I believe that. Now, can we learn questions?
Don't worry. Use do or does, same as negative.
Yes, similar rule. Example, please.
Do you like tea?
Answer, yes, I do, or no, I don't.
Exactly. What about he? Does he like tea?
Yes, he does.
Very good. Base verb only after does.
Let me try one. Do they live here?
Perfect sentence. Does she work here?
Excellent. I feel proud of myself.
You should. Can I ask daily life questions now?
Yes, that's best practice. Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do. Does he teach English?
Yes, he does. This is fun now. Grammar becomes fun when you understand.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You're welcome. My fear is gone.
That's great. I will practice every day.
That's key to fluency. Can we practice again tomorrow?
Of course. You are a great learner.
I feel confident now. Keep practicing examples.
I will. Grammar solved step by step.
Yes, thank you so much. Let's start daily routine again.
Okay, I feel more confident. Tell me about your morning.
I wake up at 6 every day.
Correct. I brush my teeth and take shower.
Good. Then,
I have breakfast with family.
perfect. I usually eat eggs and bread.
Very natural. After that,
I go to college.
nice. I reach college at 9.
My friend comes with me sometimes.
Well done. I attend classes till afternoon.
Correct. Evening, I study English.
Good habit. I practice grammar and speaking.
Excellent. I don't watch TV much.
Correct. Negative sentence. I sleep early on weekdays.
Very good. Daily routine sentences are easy now.
Yes, you're doing well. Only he and she confuse sometimes.
That's normal, but I remember to add S now.
That's progress. Practice really helps.
Can we talk about family routine now?
Yes, let's do that. I'm ready.
Go ahead. I feel relaxed while speaking now.
That's important. Describe your family routine.
My family lives in a small town.
Correct.
My father works in an office.
Good. What time does he go to work?
He goes to work at 8.
Perfect. And your mother?
She stays at home.
Yes, she cooks every day.
Correct. My parents eat dinner together.
Very natural. And your sister?
She studies in college.
Good. She likes music and reading.
Correct. She don't like loud noise.
Small correction. She doesn't like loud noise.
Okay. We talk together every night. Nice sentence. Your family supports you a lot.
That's great. Talking about family feels easy because you use real-life English.
Yes, it helps you remember. Ready for more questions?
Yes, let's practice.
Good confidence. I see grammar is clearer now.
Ask me some questions.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do. Do you work every day?
Yes, except Sunday.
Does your job stressful?
Yes, sometimes.
Does your father live here?
Yes, he does.
Does he travel a lot?
No, he doesn't.
Do your parents cook together?
Sometimes they do.
Does your family eat out often?
Not very often.
I understand question patterns better now.
That's clear improvement.
Do for I, you, we, they. Does for he, she, it.
Exactly. And base verb always. Perfect rule.
Yeah. Questions feel easy now. I earned some confidence.
Good.
Can we practice negatives once more?
Sure. Final topic.
Okay, make some negative sentences.
I do not wake up late.
Correct.
I don't skip breakfast.
Good.
My father does not work on Sunday.
Perfect.
My sister doesn't watch TV much.
Correct.
We don't eat junk food daily.
Very good.
I don't feel afraid of grammar now.
That's great.
I don't make many mistakes now, only small ones, and that's normal.
Excellent.
I practice English every day,
Best habit.
and I don't stop learning.
Excellent mindset.
Thank you for guiding me.
You did the hard work.
Present simple feels simple now.
That's the goal.
I can speak more freely now.
You sound confident.
I enjoy English classes now.
That makes me happy.
I will keep practicing.
Keep going. Grammar step by step always works.
Thank you, Lisa.
You're welcome, Mike. I'm ready for the next tense.
We'll start soon. I'm excited now.
That's the best sign. English is becoming part of your life.
And you're doing great too.
Let's continue tomorrow.
The class was really helpful today.
I'm glad you feel that way.
Grammar doesn't feel scary anymore.
That's because you understand the rules now.
Yes, grammar helps me speak clearly.
Exactly. Grammar gives structure to speaking. Without grammar, sentences feel broken.
True, but too much thinking about grammar can slow speaking.
So balance is important.
Yes, practice grammar and speak freely.
I feel more confident when I know the rules. Confidence is key to speaking.
How far is your home from here?
About 2 kilometers away.
Oh, that's not far.
It takes around 20 minutes to walk.
My home is closer. How far is it?
Just 10 minutes from here. Convenient.
Yes, I like walking every day. Walking and talking in English is good practice.
Yes, real conversations help a lot. Grammar becomes natural this way.
What time do you reach home?
Usually around 6:30 p.m. I reach home by 6.
Do you study English at night?
Yes, I revise grammar for 30 minutes.
That's a good routine.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
I have classes in the morning.
Same here. In the evening, we can practice again.
Yes, let's practice speaking.
We can practice present continuous next.
That sounds good. Grammar step by step works best.
I agree. I don't feel pressure now.
Learning should feel easy.
Thank you for walking with me.
No problem. My home is near that corner.
Okay, my way is straight ahead. See you tomorrow in class.
Yes, don't be late.
I won't. I'll keep practicing today's lesson.
This lesson really helped me understand grammar.
Yes, simple explanations make learning easy.
If you like this video, please like it.
Subscribe to our channel, Mr. Khan English Channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. You'll get new videos every day.
We have conversations for daily life, grammar lessons with easy examples, English stories, and podcasts too.
Speaking and shadowing practice. Learn English step by step.
Only on Mr. Khan English Channel.